Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you 10 benefits of drinking water. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. It lubricates the joint. Cartilage found in joints and the disc of the spine contains around 80% water. Long-term dehydration can reduce the joint's shock absorbing ability, leading to joint pain. It forms saliva and mucus. Saliva helps us digest our food and keeps the mouth, nose and eye moist. This prevents friction and damage. Drinking water also keeps the mouth clean, consumed instead of sweetened beverages. It can also reduce tooth decay. It delivers oxygen throughout the body. Blood is more than 90% water, and blood carries oxygen to different parts of the body. It boosts skin health and beauty. With dehydration, the skin can become more vulnerable to skin disorder and premature wrinkling. The digestive system depends on it. The bowel needs water to work properly. Dehydration can lead to digestive problems, constipation and an overly acidic stomach. These increase the risk of heartburn and stomach ulcers. It flushes body waste. Water is needed in the process of sweating and removal of urine and feces. It helps maintain blood pressure. A lack of water can cause blood to become thicker, increasing blood pressure. The airways need it. When hydrated, airways are restricted by the body in an effort to minimize water loss. This can make asthma and allergies worse. It makes minerals and nutrients accessible. These dissolve in water, which makes it possible for them to reach different parts of the body. It prevents kidney damage. The kidneys regulate fluid in the body. Insufficient water can lead to kidney stones and other problems. It reduces the chance of hangover. When partying, unsweetened soda water with ice and lemon alternated with alcoholic drinks can help prevent overconsumption of alcohol. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.